Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be doing our Tiny Tuesdays. Before we do that, I wanted to just give you guys a quick update. I currently have memberships in my Kofi shop, and you can join. There are 3 different tiers. So the first tier is $3 a month, and it gets you a monthly mini, a monthly tiny, and a monthly dashboard. And then it goes up from there. I'll post the links here, or I'll post some pictures here where you guys can see the tier options. But if you would like to join, I will be starting I've already started those, and I will be sending or posting things for April, the month of April. So I'll try to stay like a month ahead and give you guys challenges for the upcoming month. So here I'll insert some of the challenges that I'll be giving you guys here. And if you want to sign up for those, then you can go to my Kofi and my memberships and pick the one that you would like to sign up for. All right, so we're cash stuffing $20 today for Aria's sinking funds. This is Tiny Tot Tuesday. Did I say Mini Monday earlier? I don't remember, but it's Tiny Tot Tuesday. So here we are. We're doing that. I also have some sad news. Well, it's not terrible, but like I was bringing stuff in the other day, set some stuff down on this table, which is a mess, and so it's my own fault because it is messy and has so many things on it. But the challenges that I was going to give away for my 1,000 subscribers got wet because my water cup knocked over and spilled all onto them. I think I saved like one of them that didn't get wet, so that was a bummer, and so I'm gonna have to order some new ones. I think I will use the challenges myself, but I don't want to send them out because most of them did get ruined, so I'm gonna have to replace those. So giveaway is still coming. We're a little bit delayed with that, but it'll be here soon. All right. So this first challenge is by High Country Budgeting. Each of these leaves is $2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to fill in 2 of these leaves. And we have an extra $1. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay. So we can actually do... Yeah, we're done. Nice. Look at that. All right, today is the 18th, and we saved $12 with this challenge. Okay, so that's one challenge completed. Our next challenge here is by Overthinking and Budgeting, and we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of these we're going to do as 2. So there's that. Okay, next we have this one by Faith Hope Budgeting. Each of these circles is 2, and we are adding 2 today. So we can fill in one more circle. There we go. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have this one by What's Poppin' Sunshine. Each of the hearts is $2, so we can fill in one more heart. We got $2 today. So we should have 6 here total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday and that you had a great Wednesday or Monday yesterday. Oh my gosh, I cannot think straight. I don't know what's going on. Okay, we can't add any more to this one because we don't have the last $1 that we need, but that one is by Vicky Thinks. And then this last one is by Cash Money Budgets, this little space bunny. And we have 1, 2, 3. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take one of these, we're gonna sub it out so that we can finish this one by Vicky. Okay, So we finished this on 3/18, and we should have $8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we do. Okay, that marker is drying up. So we finished 2 challenges today. That's very exciting. All right, and then last one here, we have the, like I said, the Space Bunny one. And this one is by Cash Money Budgets, and we are gonna add $2 here. Each one of these is gonna be $2. There we go. All right. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thanks for spending time with me. I hope y'all have a great rest of your Tuesday and a great rest of your week, and I will see you tomorrow for our second debt binder, our scratch and save. Have a good one. Bye.